Right guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wood Junker. Right, just a quick update on what I'm going to be doing with the channel and the first episode on this series. Right, so my woodworking channel is not going to change. You're going to get sort of 1-2 woodworking, where I'm making something on a Wednesday or a Sunday, mainly the Sunday, depending on how long the project's taking me. I'm going to try and fit 2 in. But the other series I want to develop and come along with is this sort of tool talk on a Tuesday evening. So this will be an add-on to my channel. Nothing will change with anything else. And all I want to do with the tools is I often get offers from tool companies and I say to them, send them in, and I've got to be honest with me subscribers. If your tools are junk, they're junk, and I'm going to tell people if they're good, if they're expensive, all this kind of stuff. So that's what it is. And sometimes there's tools out there that can be sort of like inexpensive to buy, that's good for newbies, DIY, that kind of thing. So it's just to make you aware of the tools. So it's going to be called Tool Talk Tuesday, 6 PM UK time. So stick it on your notifications or whatever you do, and I'm going to try and bring you a little bit something different. It might be new tools, it might be used tools, it might be some sort of talk about tools, but it'll be all tool related, but within the woodworking channel. So this week I was sent in this from this company called Dongcheng. Now I don't know nothing about them. I just got an email, and like I said to him, I said, look, you can send me the drill in. They give me a choice of 4 things. It was like some other bits and pieces, which really is not really relevant to what my channel is. So the drill, I thought maybe I'll have a look at that. And like I said to him on the email, if I find your stuff junk, I'm going to say it's junk. So send me it in. And yeah, they were quite open and happy with that. So they sent this one in. So it come in a cardboard case. It was well packaged. I've took it out. And inside there is this blue hard plastic case. It seems reasonable. It does the job. It keeps the drill nice and secure with all the bits in it. Seems fairly good plastic. On the sides you've got the specs there, torque settings, no load speed, first gear, second gear, torque, all that kind of stuff. Max drilling diameter into steel 13mm, brick wall 13mm, and wood 32mm. It's an 18 volt with a 2 amp battery, and this model number is the DCJ-Z2050i. So let's have a look at what you get inside this. Right, so let's get that there. So inside you've got, I'll pull it out as I find it. And what I'll do is I'll put the screenshot up of how much it costs on Amazon. And if you want to go and buy one, you can do. It's up to you, but have a look at this video first. So you've got like full comprehensive instructions there. One for the battery, one for the drill itself. You've got a register your product, like warranty card type thing. Have a quick look. All seems sort of legit. Then you've got one of these curly, like to get into tight spaces. We'll have a play with that in a bit, see if it works as it said. I mean, it'll get you out of the spot, won't it? Rather, how often do you really use one of them? So if you just got one of them in your toolkit, and be it a cheap one, it's just going to get you out of a bit of a scrape every now and again. If you're a DIY or beginner hobby woodworker, that kind of stuff, it might work out well for you. But we'll give it a try in a minute, see how it is. Right, so then you've got some drill bits. Then you've got some metal in there, some brad point bits. Let's get them out, let's have a look. So you've got a selection there. you know what? My glasses need a good clean. It's like, you know, from under here with all sawdust and stuff. I should have cleaned my glasses before I started doing this video. So yeah, you've got all them drill bits. I just put one to one side because I want to see how they work. So I'll just pick any random one. And then you've got in here. Come on, I hate these snap bags. Look, just get out of there. Right. So you've got a little range of driver bits there. Again, don't know what the quality's like, but they'll come in handy. A driver bit holder. Is it magnetic? Let's try one. Let's try one. Yes, magnetic. It's not a bad magnet either. Not the strongest of magnets, but no, you know, I've had worse, believe me. It's not that bad, to be perfectly honest. Leave that on there a minute. Right, so you've got a 20 volt battery here, Dongcheng 2 amp hour. You've got the charger, self-explanatory, and you've got the drill. That's the drill. It's got this 2-speed drill, hammer and screwdriver. The clutch goes up to 20. Right, so just let's move this out of the way and let's have a good look round it. So first impressions of it, it's not bad. It's not the best, not bad. It's not a DeWalt, Makita, that kind of stuff. But it's actually not bad. Forward, reverse. This is a brushless motor as well, so that's a bit of a bonus. It's got like rubberized grip, plastic. That's steel. It's all right, that's not bad. So anyway, like I say, DIY, hobby woodworker, it might be okay, and it's not going to like cost you an absolute fortune. If you like try to build up a toolkit, that kind of stuff. But I don't know. I mean, if you've had this brand, comment below and let me know so all the other subscribers can know, especially if you've had this drill as well. I can only go off, got like new coming out of the box, the first look of it. So just let's put a drill in. Right. So one. Just try to weigh that at the various speed. So we're on 1. On 2. There's a bit more power there. It don't feel it, it don't seem a lot, but obviously you can see back speed at drill anyway. Yeah, it's different. So that's that. So let's get it on to drill, and let's drill into this piece of wood. That went in no problem, trust me. I mean, it's a new drill bit. I don't know how long the drill bit will last, but what I will say about it, ergonomically in the hand, it feels good. It's not too heavy. If that was a bigger battery, obviously it'd feel heavier, but it doesn't feel sort of too heavy in the hand. The fit and finish is okay. I'm not seeing sort of things that make it look, you know, sometimes when you get some tools and it make it look really cheap. You've got a light there, can you see it? As well. So that's that. Quite impressed with that, to be honest. So, right. Get some screws. I'm not going to drill into masonry because I'll tell you why. Number one, if I start drilling the walls here, Shelley will kill me. So I'm not going to start drilling the walls, trust me, it's not worth my life. But what I will do is I'll put this into use on some of my videos. You'll see me using it. So if there's any questions you want to see, just, you know, let me know and I'll get back to you. And I'll try and use it on a bit of masonry, so just a bit of a follow-up on that. If I start drilling in, this wall here is my neighbour's wall, so that's not even my wall. And that wall there's ours, and that wall there's ours. And if I do that, you know, I'll be hung from a lamppost, trust me. So anyway, let's give it a whirl just by... I've got the wrong bit in there, to be perfectly honest with you. Let's take that out, because I've got the wrong head for the screws. Let's put one of mine in. It's the same sort of thing anyway. Right, so let's give it a bit of a drill. That's on number 10, so that's sort of halfway, just going below the surface. Let's get it all the way up to number 20. I'm not drilling pilot holes here, by the way. I'm just going straight into this bit of scrap wood. Plenty of power there, plenty of power. So let's see on, we'll turn it right, dial it right back. That's on number 1. So let's take it to say number 5. Oh God, Billy, clean your glasses. Clean your glasses. That's about right, I suppose. So just let's drill a few more in. Now, I don't know what the internals are like on these. I haven't got a clue. I don't know the quality of the bearings, whatever's in there, all the electronically bits and all that kind of stuff. Maybe there might be some review videos out there. If you sort of like go onto YouTube and type in Dongcheng. Seems okay. Seems just like a normal drill. So does what it says. So anyway, could this be an affordable drill for your kit, your DIY kit, your woodworking, that kind of stuff? Comes with a battery, comes with a charger, comes with accessories. Let's have a look at this. Just stick that in there. Right. Oh. So you sort of get the drift. You could be in a tight spot. Oh. Would help if we had going the right way, wouldn't it? Yeah. Seems okay. It works as it should. Let's get that out. So anyway, that's that. So that, it's an handy little thing. I mean, what would you pay for one of them? I ain't got a clue what you pay for one of them. I ain't got one. I've got like a right angle one. And it's, I don't hardly use it. I must have used it, once in the last 2 years. But just to put that in your toolkit and know that you've got one, it's handy. Comes with a belt clip as well. I mean, I don't use belt clips or anything like that. I find them to get in the way. Just comes with some accessories, that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's the Dongcheng. Let me know what you think in the comments, whether you think that's sort of could be good value for money for you. I'll put links in the description to the Amazon. Brushless motor, feels okay to me. Proof will be in the pudding, and I'll use this and keep you all updated. Thanks for watching, and another tool next Tuesday.